Well, you're wrestling host. I know him. I went to Five Below today and I got this, a tripod thing, because they didn't have selfie sticks and I need a selfie stick because I'm going to get myself outside. So let's open this up and see what's going on. We got this. You got, if you cut these in half, you might be able to put these in your bra. Let's see. Would it work? I don't know why I said that. It's just an idea. Just wait. Without breaking the, just in the middle. Why does she have scissors in the, I don't know. Wait. This is hilarious. It might actually work. Hold on. Oh my God. Wait. Listen, where can you get a channel like this? It's like Flashdance all over again. All right, wait a minute. Yeah, I'm just going to pretend like I'm doing this in front of you and not pay attention to the fact that you're staring at my boobs. So innocent. All right. Wait. I'm sorry. I got to fix it. I got to fix it. Oh my good Lord. All right. Look. Woohoo! It's even popping out my I'm going to go out wearing these. Only thing is the noise. That's the only thing is the noise. So I guess it's good for just like on there, on whatever. I'm going to take these off because it's getting hot. It's getting hot in her. But I'm just, wow, I really don't need that, but let's just say. Okay, so then we have this that's out. And then it has like a little, I like these manuals. I mean, really, honestly, you know how I hate manuals. And she's so not a reader. She's not a reader, obviously. Stop letting the kids watch her. Okay, not a good example. So this is, okay. So I guess you pull these little things out. I'm assuming that that's where the phone goes. Uh-oh. Oh, ow, ow! All right, that thing right there moves. Just so you know, one side. And wasting everybody's time trying to watch me figure it out. What is that? It's got a lock on it, so I guess that doesn't work. Well, it should be like that, but it doesn't look steady to me. Okay, so I got this to stand up, but it's supposed to be 28 inches extension. Where's the little thing here that maybe you pull this thing out? Oh! Like, no, it can't be. Oh, it is! It's a Bluetooth remote! Hey! I'm impressed! Okay, because I've got one on my Canon that's a remote. So you could hold it and then put it back and then just record yourself and take a picture. Start it and stop it. But I want to, oh, there it is. Ah, ha, 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 ha. Yeah. That's what I want. Okay, so I'm going to do this and look like a total idiot in the middle of the street. And people are going to look at me and like, what the hell's wrong with her? But I don't care. You know that. So I'll be talking and I'll be doing this. And you're going to see like no hands. I just don't know how I'm supposed to walk. I'm sure there's a special way to walk. But there it is. So look, for $5, I mean, $5.35, that's not bad. I'm just not sure about this part. It kind of looks like not steady to me. But if it falls, it's not going to break my phone or anything. I'll just go like that. All right, and then it has like a little lock here that you make it tighter. All right, so yeah, let me get this. Oof, let me get this. Ow! Go. So you have that. You have your Bluetooth remote, and then you have this that goes all the way back, and then it has the one side that opens and the other side that doesn't. So, and you're gonna get your skin on this. I'm telling you. you're going to catch your skin on it. So that's awesome. So I'm going to keep this with me everywhere I go. Now I know. There it goes. And then you have your little tripod, which I'm not even sure how to open it. I think you just pop it like I just did. Yeah. And then you have this little tripod which stands up if you want to put it, you know, on your desk or something. Maybe you could put it in your car somehow. I guess you could put it in your car just like on your on the dashboard. We'll talk to you guys soon. I'm just getting ready to go out again, because that's what I do. What do we say? We say ciao. That was completely with no heart. I did not feel it. And I think I know that you felt that because I'm so bad at lying and faking my stuff. It's like really not good. I can't fake anything. I mean anything. So just letting you know. Always got to ruin it. She always has to ruin it. She's always talking about sex. I don't know what her problem is. Okay, well, I got to go. You know why? Because, all right, I got to go. All right, talk to you soon. Love you. God bless you. What do we say? We say ciao. Now, that was genuine. Shit was good.